Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add stickers in Instagram edits. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like and drop a comment. So let's begin. First, we will be needing to create a new project or you can simply start working on the project that you already have. In my case, I'm going to click on this one and then choose this video so we can start editing on it. After choosing the video or the clips, it will convert us or take us to the editing panel. From there, we will be needing to simply start editing and adding the stickers to our video. And to do any type of editing, you will be needing to simply go to the toolbar that is located at the bottom of the screen. So from here, you will be able to add audio, and from the text tool, you will be able to add text, and the voice would allow you to record your voice and add it, etc. And to add the sticker, we will simply need to click on the sticker tool so we can add our stickers. So as you can see here, we will be able to have multiple type of stickers that we can choose from, and we will be able to start adding from it. And it is from Jiffy, so you can choose anything that you would like if you want to add some GIF, and we will have it here. And as you can see, it has also some timing, and you can choose the timing that you want to have your sticker, and also you can have only image stickers and not video ones or GIF ones. And I'm just going to choose like that. And now let's just have a preview of our video. And as you can see, our sticker has been added successfully to our footage. Now you can export it and share your video. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.